purposely steal some people's microphones. Have you learned that?
And you'll be able to smell the nitromethane, Dave, as this car comes up to the staging beams. Bicycle, I should bike.
Well, we were just talking about Albertron. This is the type of bike this gentleman rides, and I'll tell you, you must really have a lot of nerve to sit on one of these things. I don't know whether it's a lack of something or having plus of something else, but then I would never drive a wheel stander.
I think it's what you're comfortable with. You know, Dave, a lot of people say Danny O'Day is silly, and a lot of people say I'm silly, but this is like what Mike Law is comfortable with. He understands them, and it is a beautiful, beautiful looking calendar. When you think about it, because the only way you do steer these things, they tighten up the forks on these things so that they really can't turn the wheel and get into tire wobble. These things are made to go straight, and the only way you do steer them is by moving your weight around in the chassis or on the chassis of the bike. So that's a good point. You're probably absolutely right on that.
Now, something else I've noticed on these really fast bikes, and when you get a really little guy, I've had guys tell me, Bob, that they actually put some kind of sticker on their pants to hold them onto the seat on these bikes.
Are doing that. I know some of them have even tried to Velcro, you know, on the seat of their bridges and on the seat of the bike to try to. That's gotta be. If you've ever ridden on a fast bike, boy, you know what kind of force these guys are fighting up there.
You know what it is amazing, Bob? When you really take a look at Mike Law sitting on that bike, he is a very small man. He's not a very big guy at all. And that is one huge motorcycle.
Horsepower, the weight would probably rival the newer car driving right now. And I really tip my hat to this guy. Beautiful looking machine. Mike Law working with a lot of the local racers too. And this burns nitromethane, of course. It's naturally aspirated. It's a fuel injected engine on nitromethane. In fact, John Rossiter sold 5 gallons of nitro yesterday.